Let your Spirit come upon these gifts to make them holy so that they may become for us the body and blood of our Lord Jesus Christ. Before he was given up, the dead is dead, we freely accept it. He took bread and gave you thanks. He broke the bread, gave it to his disciples, and said, "Take this, all of you, and eat. This is my body, which will be given for you." When supper was ended, he took the cup again, and gave you thanks and praise, gave the cup to his disciples, and said, "Take this, all of you, and drink from it. This is the cup of my blood, the blood of the new and everlasting covenant. It will be shed for you and for all, so that sins may be forgiven, and goodness and memory will come to you." Let us proclaim the mystery of faith. Thank you for coming.